number 10 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12th, and we're discussing the exercise 9.6, and we are starting with question number 6. Now, because this equation is not in the form of standard form linear differential equation, so first of all you divide the whole equation by x so that it will become in the standard form of linear differential equation. So I have divided the whole equation by x. So therefore here p will become 2 upon x and q is x log x, comparing with the linear differential equation. So integrating factor, first of all you have to find, so it is e की power p का integration with respect to x, तो e की power 2 upon x with respect to x, so integration of 1 upon x is log x, so it is 2 log x, and using the properties of the log, e की power log x square, power of this goes out here, it will be equal to x square because e की power log x is equal to x. So this is the integrating factor. Now the solution is y is into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x. So here integrating factor is x square and integrating factor x square, and the value of q is x log x, and in the right hand side we are getting the integration by parts where log x as the first function and x cube as the second function. So you can easily integrate it. So you know it that first function as it is, integration of second, which is x to the power 4 upon 4 minus derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x, into the integration of the second function, and this is the integration by parts. So y is equal to x square is equal to x to the power 4 upon 4 log x, and here the integration will be of x to the power 3 only. So it will be 1 upon 4 x to the power 4 upon 4 x to the power 4 upon 4 log x is equal to y x square, which is the solution of this given linear differential equation. And you can simplify it as far as possible. You divide the whole equation by x square, you can divide. Okay, so this is the solution of this question number 6, which is not in the standard form. So first of all you have to convert into the standard form. Now in question number 7 we have, again it is not in the standard form, x log x dy dx plus y is equal to 2 upon x log x. So first of all you have to divide the whole equation by x log x. So it will be dy dx plus 1 upon x log x into y is equal to, when you divide this x log x, it will become 2 upon x square. So therefore here p will be equal to 1 upon x log x and q is equal to 2 upon x square. Now therefore find the integrating factor, which is e की power p का integration with respect to x. Now what is the value of p? P here is 1 upon x log x with respect to x. Now you can integrate this. You can take your own time and space to find the integration of this. If you let log x is equal to t, this 1 upon x will be cancelled out and it will be only 1 upon t, and the integration of 1 upon t will be log t, that is e की power log x. Integration of this will be log x, and e की power log x will be equal to x, and in place of x we have log x. So this is the integrating factor. Now solution of this will be y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x. So integrating factor is log x, integrating factor is log x, and q here is 2 upon x square. Q here is x square. This is, oh sorry, this is the x. This is the value of x square. Now you can integrate this by integrating by parts, x to the power minus 2 log x, and you can integrate by taking this as the first function and this as the second function. So you can easily integrate this. This is the question number 7, which is not in the standard form. We have converted into standard form by dividing the whole equation by x log x. Now in question number 8, See it very carefully. It is question 1 plus x square dy plus 2xy dx is equal to cot x and dx. Now this equation is not in the standard form, rather it have 2 dx. So for we have to do it. First of all, you take dx common wherever you are getting as dx common, 2xy dx. Take dx common in these two. Now dy upon dx will be equal to cot x minus 2xy upon 1 plus x square, and try to convert into the standard form d by dx plus py. So you have to take the terms which containing this minus 2xy upon 1 plus x square. So convert into the standard form, it will be 2x upon 1 plus x square into y is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. Now it becomes a linear differential equation in standard form, where p is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square and q is equal to cot x upon 1 plus x square. Now proceed as usual, finding the integrating factor and then the solution of the linear differential equation of the second type. This is the, first of all, you have to arrange it many steps to convert into the standard form of linear differential equation. Proceed as usual. Now from question number 9, again this question is not in the standard form. First of all, you have to arrange it in the standard form, which is x d by dx plus y minus x plus xy cot x equal to 0. First of all, you have to divide the whole equation by x. So it will be 1 upon xy minus 1 plus y cot x. This is the equation you are getting. The standard form is d by dx plus the term containing y. It is cot x. Y is equal to 1. You take y common in these two terms, so 1 upon x plus cot x y is equal to 1. Now it has become into the standard form, where p is 1 upon x plus cot x and q here is 1. So its integrating factor will be e की power p का integration with respect to x, that is e की power 1 upon x plus cot x का integration with respect to x, and we know the integration of log x. This is the integration of log x, and this is integration of cot x is log sin x. So using the properties of the log, it will be x sin x. In the plus, it will get multiplied, and we know that e की power log x is equal to x. So it is x sin x. E की power log x is equal to x. So its integrating factor is coming out to be x log x sin x, and the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x. So integrating factor is x sin x, integrating factor is x sin x, and q is 1. Q is here is 1. So you have to integrate it by using the integration by parts. This is the first function, and this is the second function. You can integrate by parts. So it is not so easy question, because you have to arrange it in many steps to convert it to the standard form of linear differential equation. Now in question number 10, 11 and 12, they are not the first type linear differential equation. They are the second type linear differential equation, because how can you check it? Because here d by dx is getting multiplied with y. Wherever you are getting d by dx is multiplied with y, it is not a first type linear differential equation. So you have to convert it into the second type linear differential equation, taking dx here, dy here. So second type linear differential equation is dx upon dy minus x is equal to y. It is of the form dx upon dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are either constants or the function in terms of y. So here p is equal to -1 and q is equal to y. So its integrating factor, you know it, we have discussed in the beginning of this, e की power p with respect to y, integration with respect to y. So it will be -1 with respect to y, so it will be e की power minus y, -1 का integration with respect to y. Now the solution of second type linear differential equation is x into integrating factor. If you not know, first of all learn the formula. Integration factor into q का integration with respect to y. So integrating factor is e की power minus y, and q here is -1. Q here is y. And now you can integrate it by parts, taking this as a first function and this as the second function. So this is the linear differential equation of second type. Why? Because d by dx being multiplied with d by dx. Wherever the d by dx is getting multiplied with y, it is not a first type linear differential equation. If you see the second 11th question also, it is y dx plus x minus y square dy equal to 0, because d by dx is getting multiplied with y, so it is not a first type linear differential equation. So you first of all convert it into standard form. I have taken this to the right hand side. So dx upon dy, it being equal to y square minus x upon y. So it is coming out to be dx upon dy is equal to y minus 1 upon yx, and convert into the standard form. dy dx plus 1 upon yx is equal to y. Now it is coming in the form dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. So therefore p is equal to 1 upon y and q is equal to y. This is the second form of linear differential equation. So integrating factor is e की power 1 upon y का integration with respect to y. 1 upon y का integration is log y, and e की power log y is equal to y. And the solution is x into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to y. With respect to y it is. So integrating factor is y and q here is y. So you have to integrate only y square, which is equal to y cube, like this, y cube upon 3. Integration of this y. So this is equal to this. So this is the second form of linear differential equation, not the first form. Again, the question number 12 also. We have x plus 3y square dy upon dx is equal to y. Again, d by dx is getting multiplied with y, so it means it is not a first type linear differential equation. So you convert into the second type, cross multiplying it, dividing the whole equation by y, because you have to convert into the standard form. So it is dx upon dy minus 1 upon yx is equal to 3y. I have taken this to the right hand side because it should be of the form dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. P is the coefficient of x. So I have taken this x term containing x to the left hand side. So therefore p is equal to minus 1 upon y and q is equal to 3y. So this is the standard form of linear differential equation of second type. And now you proceed as usual, as we have done in the previous question. Now from question number 13 to 15, you have to find the particular solution of linear differential equation. To find C, the condition is given. Now if we take the question number 13, it is d by dx plus 2 tan x into y is equal to sin x, and the value of y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. This condition is given to find the value of C. So P here is 2 tan x and Q here is sin x. It is a first form of linear differential equation. So its integrating factor is e की power p का integration with respect to x, e की power टू 10x का इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. Integration of 10x is log sec x, and you use the properties of the log sec square x you will get, and its integration is this integrating factor. Power here it comes here, and e की power log x is equal to x. Now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q का integration with respect to x. तो integrating factor is sec square x, and q here is sin x. Q here is sin x. Now you can simplify it. It will be 1 upon cos square x into sin x. So it will become sin upon cos, that is 10x into sec x, and it is the integration of sec x. थोड़ा सा easy हो गए. It is integration of sec x. Now you can find the value of c here. It is given that y is equal to 0 when x is equal to pi by 3. So 0 sec square pi by 3 is equal to sec pi by 3 plus c. This is the value of c. 0 sec 60 is equal to 2. So the value of c is minus 2. You can put it here to get a particular solution. In the particular solution, you have to find the value of c, and to find the value of c, the condition is given, will be given in the question. In question number 14, the word problem is given. Find the equation of the curve passing through the origin, and it is given that the slope of the tangent to the curve at any point is equal to the sum of the coordinates. Now we know that the slope of the tangent is dy upon dx. You know it, passing the point x and y. So by doing this, you are getting a first type linear differential equation, and to find the value of c, the condition is given. So p is equal to -1, q is equal to x, and solve s by finding the linear solution of linear differential equation. It is given that the slope of the tangent is equal to the sum of the coordinate. The coordinate here are x and y, and the slope, we know that it is slope of the tangent passing to the point xy is equal to d by dx. In question number 17, you have to find the equation of the curve passing to the point 2, 0. Passing to the point 2, 0, and it is given that the sum of the coordinate at any point is equal to the curve exceed, is equal any point on the curve exceed the magnitude of the slope, magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve by 5. It is given this. It is given that the curve is passing to the point 0, 2, and at any point it is given that the sum of the coordinate exceed the slope of the tangent, or the slope of the magnitude of the tangent by 5. So we are getting the differential equation as minus y is equal to x minus 5. So it is of the form d by dx plus py is equal to x minus 5. So p here is equal to -1, q here is x minus 5, and you can solve it by using the solution of linear differential equation of first type, and find the value of c, putting the value of x as 2 and x as 0 and y as 2 to get the value of c, to find the particular solution. It is given that the sum of the tangent, sum of the coordinate at any point exceed the magnitude of the slope. We know that the slope is d by dx of the tangent is d by dx exceed by 5. Sum of the coordinate tangent के slope से 5 ज़्यादा है, और जब हमने इसको अरेंज करा तो we are getting a linear differential equation of first type. Now in question number 18 and 19, you have to find the integrating factor only. In question number 18, it is d by dx. First of all, divide the whole equation by x. So I have divided the whole equation by x, and you have to find the integrating factor. So p here is -1 upon x. So integrating factor is e की power p का integration with respect to x. So e की power -1 upon x, and integration of -1 upon x is log x. And using the properties of the log, you can put as x की power -1, because by using the property of the exponent of the log. So it is equal to x की power -1, that is 1 upon x, because e की power log x equal to x. So its integrating factor is 1 upon x. Its integrating factor is 1 upon x. Now question number 19, if you see it carefully, it is a linear differential equation of the second form, that is dx upon dy plus px is equal to q. First of all, you have to divide the whole equation by 1 upon 1 minus y square is equal to ay upon 1 minus y square. Dividing the whole equation by 1 minus y square. So this is equal to p, this is equal to q, and integrating factor is e की power p का integration with respect to y, because it is of the second form. So e की power y upon 1 minus y square with respect to y. Now you can integrate it y upon 1 minus y square by letting 1 minus y square is equal to t, and you will get the integration as minus का half log 1 minus y square. You take your time to integrate it. You let 1 minus y square root t, the y will be cancelled out, minus 1 by 2 will be outside the integral, and the 1 upon t ka integration 1 minus y square, which is equal to this. Using the properties of the log, I have taken this as the power of this, and e की power log x is equal to log x, and taking in the denominator 1 minus y square की power half, positive बनाइए, and then under root 1 minus y square. So this is the integrating factor of this linear differential equation, which is of the second form. And see the integrating factor, how I have simplified it. P y upon 1 minus y square, integrate this, I am getting minus half log 1 minus y square, using the property of the log, taking this minus half to the power of this log, and e की power log x equal to x, this is, and taking the exponent positive and remove, and 1 minus y square half is equal to under root 1 minus y square. So this is the lecture based on the solution of linear differential equation, which contain the exercise 9.6. Okay, we'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.